In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background color in Elementor. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to get a clean, consistent background color on any section of your page. First, open your page with Elementor. From your WordPress dashboard, go to the page or post you want to edit and launch the Elementor editor so you can see the live preview on the right and the editing panel on the left. Give it a couple of seconds to load your design. Next, click the section or container you want to change. Sections are the larger horizontal areas of your layout, and in newer setups you might see containers instead, which work similarly. When you click the right one, you'll notice a blue outline and the panel on the left will show settings for that specific area. If you accidentally select a widget or column, just move your cursor slightly toward the edge until the whole section or container is highlighted, then click. Now, in the left panel, go to the Style tab. This is one of the three primary tabs at the top: Layout, Style, and Advanced. Style is where all the visual controls live, including typography, colors, and backgrounds. Within Style, find the background area. It's clearly labeled and usually appears near the top of the Style settings. You'll see several background types available, but for a solid color, we'll use the simplest option. Click Classic, which shows a color box. This opens the color picker. You can drag the slider to explore hues, move within the square to adjust brightness and saturation, or set transparency with the alpha slider if you want a subtle overlay. If you already have a brand color, you can paste a hex code directly. For example, #FEF for pure white. Using a hex code is great for consistency across your site. As you pick a color, keep readability in mind. If your text sits on this background, aim for good contrast so headings and paragraphs remain easy to read. When you're happy with the color, click Update. The Update button is in the bottom left corner of the Elementor panel, and it saves your changes to the live page. If your page was already published, Update will immediately push the new background color live. That's it. You opened the page with Elementor, selected the right section or container, went to the Style tab, found background, chose Classic, picked your color, or pasted a hex code and clicked Update to save. Follow these steps anytime you need a quick, clean background color change in Elementor.